Easily manage and track many colors of money that fund your projects and programs. Define program level or single project funding sources and determine when funds become available with Kahua's sources of funds. Add as many fund sources as you need to manage your project and track the work. Program and project funds can be mixed if perhaps program funds filter down to a project. At a glance, see a summary of the usage of the fund, including how much was funded, where it came from the reserve, release, budgeted, commit, and spend of those sources. Track all the appropriations of the fund source so every time money is added, you can track the amounts. Save time and reduce errors with configurable fund rules. Automatically calculate rules across fund sources and define your spending requirements at any level of the program hierarchy. Set rules to prevent a user from budgeting, committing, or spending appropriations of funds after a particular date. Track the reserves and releases of funds. For example, if money needs to be released to a project, you can reserve money back and then release the money very easily at the appropriate time. Track any modifications to the fund with fund changes. Project managers also need to write budgets, manage contracts, create change orders, and pay requests against the same fund sources. With Kahua sources of funds, project-level team members can see only fund sources available to their project. Project teams can create a budget and send for approval right within the workflow. With predefined rules already set, that project budget is linked to the fund source and automatically distributes money correctly for the job. Sources of funds carries all the way through contract change orders and pay requests. Within the Contracts tool, you can see the correct fund rule to distribute costs and committed funds. You can also see construction progress automatically in the system. This tool tracks all the way from the budget to the commitment to the pay request or invoice. Meet audit requirements with detailed reporting on funding distribution history and project utilization. With a Fund Source Overview report, gain quick visibility into exactly where your projects are with regards to funds and view the usage of funds across all projects. The Fund Dashboard shows what's been approved, reserved, released, budgeted, committed, and spent. It also provides a quick view to the usage of the funds and summary of the funds to date. Minimize the risk of losing funds by easily tracking remaining balances and expiration dates. Streamline the management of funds across programs and projects with Kahua sources of funds.